5 major changes that we created in the renovation of this 20-year-old 2 BHK apartment located near 100 feet road Indiranagar, Bangalore, where removing the wall in between the living area and the balcony. By doing so, we were able to increase the lighting and ventilation to the entire living area. Now talking about the second point, that is removing the walls surrounding the kitchen. Moving on to the third change, we shifted the door frame which was previously at this position to further inside here. By doing so, we were able to make use of the dead passage space to create a vanity cabinet and also increase the carpet size of the living room. The fourth change that we made in the renovation of this apartment was to increase the bedroom window frame size. Previously, this bedroom had a 2 feet by 5 feet window which provided inadequate lighting to the bedroom. But now, as we have increased the bedroom window frame size to a 6 feet by 5 feet window frame, we have solved the inadequate lighting issues. And to provide a better look, we have added ceiling mounted curtains as well. Now talking about the next change, that is the bathrooms renovation. Previously, these bathrooms had issues with the wet and dry area partitioning. But after we remodeled, we have created a separate wet and dry area. In order to separate the wet and dry area, we raised the floor height of the dry area and also installed a fixed shower partition in between the wet and dry area in both the bathrooms. For the bathrooms to look more aesthetic, we have even added a fixed shower grating and also add a wall mounted commode with a LED mirror and a floating vanity cabinet.